What is private money? I grew up in a very traditional family where if you were going to buy a house, you went to the bank and you got a loan. And if you were investing money, you went to your financial advisor. So when I got in this industry and saw that to buy a house, it didn't necessarily mean you had to go through the bank. There were private lenders, there were people that wanted to deploy their capital. And as long as it was a good deal, people were more than willing to fund your deal. I started working with investors and seeing high net worth individuals telling me that they didn't do anything in the stock market. They bought notes, put money in real estate funds, and were earning double digits. I'm going, how come nobody's educated in? I've never even heard of this. So just kind of fell into that and really working with investors that wanted to deploy capital because I saw what I was able to help them do for their families. And they were retiring and living these lives where they were traveling and they were taking these nest eggs that they had grown for years through more traditional sources like 401ks and IRAs. Once they retired, they were living off the earnings they were making through the company I worked for, investing it, and they weren't depleting their savings accounts and their retirement accounts. So many people that get to retirement and they're going, okay, I've got $500,000. How long is this going to last me? You don't even have to touch that. Just deploy it in a way that you're making enough on your money, make your money work for you, and you don't have to worry about that. There's still some left to leave a legacy to your family.